So this article about feline atopic skin syndrome, I thought really emphasized the client communication point of underscoring that this is a chronic disease with no cure, and managing expectations by talking about managing flare-ups, understanding triggers, but that this will be a lifelong condition to manage. And I think for these allergic patients, clients so often get frustrated because they think they have done what we've asked and their pet should be better. And setting it up from the beginning that this is a process, we'll have to adjust as your pet responds to things and doesn't respond to things. Setting expectations for those regular follow-ups and also for checkpoints in between those in-person visits. I thought a lot of that was outlined really well here. I also love the podcast recommendation for pet owners. My pet owners love when I can send them to a reputable, a reputable source. So having a pet owner facing podcast specifically around allergies from a trusted resource is a great tidbit to carry back into practice with me.
I think the other big thing that this article brought to mind for me is talking to owners not only about we're going to need long-term monitoring, there's going to be flare-ups and things like that, but specifically just because something works right now with this particular syndrome doesn't mean that same treatment is going to work forever. Because I think it's very easy to fall into, okay, we're going to try something until it works, but then once we find the thing that works, that's what we're going to use for the rest of the cat's life. And unfortunately, with feline atopic skin syndrome, that is not the case.